Eyes of Reddit, what was your girlfriend's reaction the first time she saw it soft? 1. She laughed and called it cute. Then she spent 5 minutes apologizing and saying she didn't care how small it is. 2. Wiggling it and giggling. Then commenting how she now understands why men play with it so much. 3. I helicoptered out of there. 4. Played with it and watched the consequences of her actions. 5. She said how does it go from that to that. 6. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and tiny. Proceeds to squeeze it. 7. There was one time my ex and I were in the ocean and she grabbed it and it was shriveled up because of the water being so cold. She laughed so hard but I found it really funny myself. I'm pretty confident with my size so I didn't really care. 8. She asked does it make you uncomfortable when I see it like that? I said, no because you know what it looks like when it's not like that. 9. Asked to hold it while I make it grow. Sweetie. It'll grow on its own. It's attached to me but I have no control over it. 10. She started shifting it like she was driving a manual rally race. 11. I guess you're a grower, not a shower. 12. Woman's perspective here. When I first saw my husband hard, I was scared. Literally had no idea how it was supposed to fit. When I first saw him soft, I giggled because how the heck did it get so big? And it was so soft and squishy.